Do you want to create glowing text that looks like this, where the edges glow? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create glowing text in LumaFusion, but this time, instead of using the face color, I'm going to use the edge color. The process is similar, but not exactly the same, so please watch the entire video so that you don't miss any important steps. With that said, let's get started. Tap on the plus sign in the upper right hand corner of this dialog box to open the project. This next step is not necessary but helpful, especially if you plan to use the chroma key feature in LumaFusion with a color like yellow. I'm actually going to use a different color in this tutorial than I used in my previous video. If you'd like to go and watch that video, the link will be in the description, so go down there at the end of this video and enjoy it. Tap the icon in the upper right hand corner. Mine looks like a folder, but yours will look like a flower. Tap on Photos. Long press on your photo and bring it down into the main track, like this. Double tap the photo. I'm just going to manually move myself over to the right hand side so I can put the text on the left hand side. I'll go back to the main timeline, tap on the plus sign from the main toolbar, and then select Overlay Title. If you don't want to put any other footage inside your project, you can use Main Title, which will place a title clip in the main track. Select your title and either tap on the pencil icon or double tap the selected clip to open the clip editor. Double tap on the text and type the text you want. Tap Done to dismiss the keyboard, and then tap on the font icon. Below the opacity setting, you can see Arial MT and then an icon next to it. Tap this icon. Make sure that you use a thick, bold font, like Lemon Milk Bold. Just tap your font to select it. Tap on Frame and Fit. If you're going to resize and reposition text, I find it helpful to do it here rather than on the title card. You can use the Position X and Position Y sliders to change the position of the text on screen. Right now the text is in the center of the screen over top of my photo. The position X controls the horizontal position and the position Y controls the vertical position. I'm going to go back to the title card for a second to put the text on two different lines. I'll double tap the text, long press and hold on the spacebar, and then press return once. Then tap on Done. When I go back to Frame and Fit, you'll notice that the text will return to its original position. To make the effect easier to see, I'll make the text bigger. You can manually move your text on screen without using the Position X or Position Y sliders. Position your text where you want it and select the color of your text. I could use white, but let's use another color. This is where the process differs from the first video. To make the edges of the text glow, you want to adjust the edge color. Tap the circle next to edge color. By default, it is set to black. Let's use blue. Tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the color picker. Once you've set the edge color, you can adjust the face color to black. It should be set to match the background in your project. Tap on black. If I go back to Frame and Fit, you can see how the text has changed. Go back to the main timeline and duplicate the layer. Now you've got two copies of the same text layer. To make the edges of the text glow, all you need to do is apply a blur effect to your first title layer. Double tap your first title layer to open the clip editor once more. Go to the title card and make sure that the width is set as wide as possible. Now tap on Color and Effects and Tap the teardrop one more time. I'm going to choose box blur. You can see that a glow has been added. If you want to adjust the width of the glow, you can. You'll need to go back to the frame and fit panel to take a look at it, as it will appear on the main timeline. The edge color width does not have to be at 100, but it should be slightly more than the width of the edge color on your second text layer. Keep returning to the frame and fit panel so that you can see what the result looks like. If you think 100 looks good, use an edge width of 100 on your first text layer. That's what I'll do for the thumbnail in this video. You can export your project. If you want to place this clip in a video, you can export it as a video. Or if you're using this as a title card, you can take a snapshot. Let's export it as a video first. Tap the export icon, tap movie, choose where you want to save your clip, set your resolution, and then hit the export icon one more time. To take a snapshot, tap the export icon one more time and choose snapshot. You'll then see a snapshot when you go back to all photos and videos. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.